The captain and Iron Man will race the engines who are pushing eggs. Losing egg gets opened. Winning engine and egg through to the next round. The overall winning egg will make it to another video. First to go for Captain America is Race Day Thomas with a Justice League egg. And for Iron Man, it's James with a Transformers egg. The finish line is marked by the 2 flowering bushes. And they're off. Oh, Captain America falls off Thomas. And it's a close finish, but I think the captain just won. Yes, the replay confirmed that. The egg crossed the line, and that was all that mattered. The captain's alright, and he congratulates Thomas. Unlucky James, unlucky Iron Man. Now unwrap your egg. It's Transformers Bumblebee. Race 2. It's Captain America on Gordon pushing a SpongeBob egg, and Iron Man on Percy pushing a Kinder Minions egg. Percy has been seen practicing, and by the look of him, eating the egg as well. They're off. Percy loses his egg, and the captain wins again. Iron Man goes back and collects the Minions egg. Unwrap it then. Ooh, a caveman minion.
Yoo-hoo.
Next, Iron Man on Spencer pushing a Monster High egg, and the captain on Stephen the Rocket pushing a Peppa Pig egg.
Ready, set, go!
Of course, Spencer won that easily. Oh, Captain, that looked painful. He's okay though, just his pride hurt from losing. Well done, Iron Man. Here comes Stephen, still pushing his egg. Okay, what's inside, Captain? Ooh, a Space Zoe Zebra. Now, Captain America on the winning Thomas and Iron Man on the winning Spencer.
Set, go!
Oh, the captain falls off again. And Thomas actually helped Spencer's Monster High egg over the line. Iron Man congratulates Spencer, and Captain America collects the Justice League egg that never quite made it past the finishing line. Open it, Captain. Oh, it's Superman. Right, the grand final. Gordon v Spencer. SpongeBob v Monster High. Captain America v Iron Man. May the best Avenger win.
Set, go!
It's close, very close, but I think Spencer just won. The replay shows Gordon trying to bump his egg across the line, but Spencer still wins. Well done, Iron Man and Spencer, and the Monster High egg survives into another video. The captain gets the SpongeBob egg. Unlucky captain. Now, what's inside? It's SpongeBob. Well done all, a good race day. And thanks for watching our video. Here's another one you may have missed.